Okay, so we start this morning on a heavy note. News of the death of Olympic athlete Germaine Mason stunned the local and international athletic community. Mason was heading home from a party at 4:20 Thursday morning when he apparently lost control of his motorcycle, which ran off the roadway in East Kingston. The 34-year-old retired high jumper was pronounced dead at hospital, leaving folks on social media in a mournful frenzy.
And Boy, I'm sad that they had you read that.
Yeah.
I saw it go, but I'm sad
and
that
actually,
you read it.
I thought that when I was going to read, I wouldn't feel.
Yeah.
But just know that emotions.
You can't turn it off, darling. That's how it is.
And it's tough because he's a part of our Women's fraternity. He was around when we won champs in 2010. He's always been a motivator. So it's difficult to think about it. I mean, even now, when I got the news, I hadn't slept, barely slept yesterday. And the thoughts fresh in my mind, because I saw him that day, and I saw him that night. And, I can imagine what his family is going through. Because when I lost my dad at 9 years old, he leaves a son, a young son. So I know how tough that is growing up without your father. Because that's tough.
Okay. Please don't.
So.
Condolences, first of all, to his family and his friends who are left behind. We all like to say that they're in a better place, and we like to believe that they're in a better place. But I've learned one thing from these situations, one thing. And in all honesty, it is you have to be safe on the road. I mean, no matter where you're coming from, no matter what friends you're with, no matter what you feel like you're capable of on a roadway, there's so many things that are just, you never know what can happen. It might be a pebble.
And even today, especially with the weather, the way it is, I urge people to be careful. Someone said you don't know when death is coming, but it helps to be safe.
Nobody attempt it. Nobody put yourself in the way of it.
And the way he went, it's still hard. I mean, no one knows when is your time, and just tell your loved ones that you love them, spend as much time with them as possible, because in the blink of an eye, things can change.
This throws me back actually to when Usain had an accident. And I think about it all the time, and I say, we could have lost a great then, but we've lost a great now. Guys, I mean, learn. Let us all take from this something. Let us learn from it. We don't have to behave like that on the road. We don't have to, if we want to party, we can party a certain way. And to all the guys and to all his friends, please don't feel guilty, don't feel any way about it. I mean, it's something that happened, and it could have gone differently, and it could have been worse, it could have been more. Let's just be grateful that you still have your life, and let's mourn him and celebrate him happily.
Yeah, and to everyone, just take care of each other, take care of your friends, be your brother's keeper, your sister's keeper as well, because it's tough.
All right, I don't know how to move from that to a lighter note, but we're gonna try. The best female tennis player of this era, so they say, and one of the world's most prominent athletes is expecting her first child
what do you mean by
later this year. That's what everybody says. So it's always a matter of opinion. Well, stats say that she's the best, right? So she is the best. All right, Jody, she's the best. She's the best. Jody says so. So 35-year-old Serena Williams has not played a match since winning her 23rd Grand Slam singles title at the Australian Open on January 28, when she was already close to 2 months pregnant. I saw say she had the bass. 2 months pregnant with man in sickness, that box me down. Me could have never take up a tennis racket, much less win a singles match. But she won. Will she return to the court is the question on the table. But whether she does or doesn't, one thing's for sure. She has already left an indelible stamp on tennis, not just on tennis, for all of us in the entire world. That is black girl magic if you ever thought of it.
And young girls are seeing this and they're like, oh my goodness, she was pregnant while she won. So the baby has a title as well.
Oh, you mean? Why not? I'm telling you, I was like, I was nowhere near being able to walk steady, but this woman never even dropped a set. Yeah. She never dropped a set, dude.
And that shows the strength of our women.
Thank you.
Beyonce, when she was pregnant.
Go B! B singing.
And our very own Shelly Price is pregnant.
Go Shelly.
So, it's great. It's great for them.
How you feel about Empress Sita?
Oh, yes.
Big up yourself. How you feel about Janella? And Debbie had her baby. Congrats, Debbie.
Congrats, Debbie.
The king is here.
And I didn't mention Empress, you see Empress on the show every morning.
Look here, she just bubbled with that belly. That baby is going to become so energetic.
Oh, yes.
Oh boy, another empress. Can the world manage too?
That's gonna be fun.
Empress Lisa, good morning.
That's gonna be fun.
All right, next up, if Kim Kardashian and Kanye West ever decide to use a surrogate to have their third child, they already have a volunteer. I'm sure they had tons of volunteers. The world was bubbling with volunteers. After learning from her doctor that it's not safe for her to get pregnant again, we're talking about pregnancy a lot this morning, Kim admitted that surrogacy is now her reality. Now, who is offering to be the surrogate for the pair? Shauna Craig, the star of E's Second Wives Club. You watch him something?
No, I don't.
You don't really watch him?
No, I don't.
You watch
I don't.
Keeping Up with the Kardashians?
No, I don't either.
No? All right, well, here's the thing, right? They say that her can't manage another baby. So she says she's going to find somebody else to show her the baby for her.
Oh, Kim's womb. Yeah, I read that somewhere.
Kimmy,
Yeah.
can't manage.
It was on Twitter.
Kimmy, you know my sister and Kimmy?
Oh, yeah.
She can't
BFF.
manage.
Your
My
BFF.
Right, no. So she can't manage. So they're going to get somebody else to carry the baby, but it's her egg and her husband's sperm. So it's their baby.
So let me ask you something.
Yeah.
Would you do that?
For someone?
Yeah.
Yes, but it's not any and everybody that I do it for. It's
Okay.
it's a very limited few that I would actually do that for, because that is a big deal. After 9 months of carrying this life and of feeling it move inside it to go, here you go. Yeah.
Tough.
I don't know, maybe we'll never just set my mental state first. Next thing you know, I'm like, all right, pack up, run.
Oh, yeah, and somebody, so I must ask you this.
Am I pregnant? I'm done pregnant. I'm done pregnant.
She's not pregnant, guys.
Oh no, come half of my case.
She's not,
I
she
am
just
pregnant.
had too much to
It's
eat.
not catching. Me just eat enough
All
before
right.
they show the man.
And
That's
yeah,
all.
that's all. Okay, a year ago on April 21st, Prince Rogers was found dead in his Minneapolis mansion. And one thing for sure, Prince is still king. Well, king in America, because we have Bob Marley, so yeah. Now, in honor of the king, we're giving a lit of background history on King. A local boy, he grew up and lived and died in his hometown, and the echo of his presence still remains. Unsurprisingly, given his fame and impact on his hometown, there's now a guided bus tour of the Purple One's key locations such as the Creed Theatre, Purple Rain House, Dakota Jazz Club, Paisley Park, the Atrium, Studio A and B, and many, many more.
Were you a Prince fan?
I like the song Purple Rain.
Purple Rain.
And that's the only song I knew.
Purple Rain. That's all you know, though.
That's the only song I knew.
I was not a huge Prince fan, but
Yeah.
I liked his music. So for all the people who are ready to jump on me, I liked his music. It's just that I wasn't, whoo.
Yeah, I mean, I wasn't exposed to his music as much. Purple Rain is the only song I know.
You don't know this song? Turn it up, Mr. DJ, make him say, because him not cultured, you have to say it.
I don't know.
You don't know this song? What?
I only know
When
Purple
it does
Rain.
It's when his brother
I
grew
don't know
up,
Purple Rain.
and then it's a rock.
Remember what somebody told me this morning? What you said to me this morning?
Okay.
About my age.
All right, sorry. Yeah.
All right.
I keep forgetting
So me,
that I'm twice Extel's age.
yes, you are.
Shut up! He's so disgusting. I am not. You're terrible.
You act that way,
I'm
though.
old on the inside.
Act that way.
No,
like a
no.
granny.
I'm going home. I'm going home. Bye-bye. You're going to serious and show that yourself. Okay. All right, last one. Just a few more hours left until Bacchanal Spellbound Jamaica Road March. Yes, guys, them are going to have Carnival into the rain, same way. For more than 15 years, Jamaica holds Carnival with motives similar to Trinidad, but with local taste. You know, have a little dance all night, a little bubbling and so. Carnival season kicked off in February and ends tomorrow, April 23rd, with the Road March. No, seriously. The rain, how going?
I
Who
want
care?
to see how it goes.
So,
Want to
I have a
see how it
question.
goes.
I used to jump Carnival, enough. So, I really don't think, say, as somebody said, Mount Teeth and Tongue said this morning, Mount Teeth and Tongue is over there. She named Jody.
And that's Jody.
Jody. Mount Teeth and Tongue. Yeah. On the things that look like wet bird when the rain.
I know, I
and
just said that.
the feather then
I just
get
said that when rain falls, when rain falls,
Yeah.
I don't see bird flying in.
No,
I don't see
so
bird
one
flying
on the
in.
funny road is so much better.
It's going to be something to see though. I'd drive go there to see.
I know you want to see it because the girls are half naked and sometimes they've also gone to the point now of using very skimpy bottoms and skimpy.
See that? See, all right. Marvin ready.
Watch out.
We're going, man. We're going. Marvin said we're going. We're going. All right.
Well, if you're gonna do it in the rain, enjoy yourself, guys.
And
Just
be
make sure
safe.
you take your vitamins.
And be safe.
Yeah.
Be safe.
No driving after you're done all that drinking.
Yeah.
Please.
Okay. So what did you think about these topics? Let us know at Smile Jam TVJ. And that's it for trending topics.
Oh yeah.
And let the grandma know.
Viking. Viking.